Hi guys, my name is Shazali and I'm a second year BHMS student from NIH Kolkata. So today we'll discuss about what to do next after NEET if you haven't scored enough to fetch a government MBBS seat. So there are two options. Like broadly speaking, there are two options. Either you will retake NEET again next year or you could opt for some other alternatives. So how do you choose? See, if you have the stamina and motivation to take a drop or take another drop and give exam next year, then well, go ahead for that, all the best. But if you are tired of taking drops and you don't want to stress yourself over NEET again, then you can opt for other alternatives as well. Now, how to choose the alternatives? Firstly, you need to think, what is it that you are very passionate about? Where is your interest and what do you really want to do? If you want to treat patients and you're keen on doing so, then you can opt for homeopathy, Ayurveda, Unani, that is to say the Ayush courses, if you're not getting a government MBBS seat. Well, if you can afford private MBBS in India or abroad, then you can go ahead for that as well. But if you are low on budget and your scores are not up to the mark, then you can opt for government BHMS colleges, government BMS colleges, because at the end of the day, if your goal is to treat patients, you will be able to do so while pursuing BHMS, BMS, BUMS, so and so. Now I would like to say that if you haven't scored enough, please do not get depressed or demotivated. That is not the end of the life. And you can very well go ahead with other streams as well. And another thing is that many people want to pursue MBBS because of peer pressure or pressure from the family or just because of the hype that has been created. Please don't do that, because you will be stressing yourself over NEET and dropping years just because someone else wants you to do that course. So it would be better if you choose something which you are really passionate about and you want to do it for the rest of your life. So choose accordingly. Since you have a lot of time after NEET until you get the results, you can go and search about different streams, options available to you. You can read books about different streams. Like if you want to opt for homeopathy, for example, you can go ahead reading books, seeing the lives of other students. And I would also like to say that most of us get into BHMS or BMS colleges because we did not get MBBS. And you could say that yes, initially we did feel bad about it and we did want to give NEET again, but gradually when you get yourself invested into the course, you will realize the beauty of it. At the end of the day, when you're getting to treat the patient, that is all you wanted to do. So I don't think so you'll regret joining BHMS or BMS. I would suggest to all my juniors that if you're tired of taking drops and really you are passionate about treating patients, then of course go for the alternative courses, be it BHMS, be it BAMS. There is nothing wrong in it. And if you're very adamant about choosing MBBS and if you don't want to retake NEET and have a budget for opting for private MBBS in India, then well, go ahead for that, or MBBS abroad. If you have any query or doubts regarding what to do after NEET if you have a low score, or about the life of a BHMS student, or regarding counseling, you can DM me on Instagram. My Instagram ID is given below. If you want to have a sneak peek into the life of a BHMS student, you can follow my page Shaz Medlife. The Instagram ID is given below. And please do share, like and subscribe to my channel and help me grow. Stay tuned. Thank you.